search using the Destiny Catalog. Go ahead and log in so that you could create a resource list if you wanted to add your resources to it before you started your search. What we are going to search for is American Revolution. And for this particular search, I'm going to click in the "and" section here and Paul Revere. Now, before I actually click search, I want to tell you a couple of things about doing a complex search. It allows you to enter keywords and put them together using Boolean search operators. Now, a Boolean search operator can either be an "and", an "or a "not". My search set is going to include any place there is a keyword American Revolution appearing and Paul Revere. Now, keyword means that it will search the entire record within the Destiny Catalog, not just a particular field. Now, one option, and we're not going to do it right now, but you could change American Revolution to looking only in the subject fields, which I'll point out in the record, or you can, and here you could do it in subject as well. You can also search just in the title fields, or just the authors, or search for a series of books as well. Notice that I want all of these words to appear. If I only wanted any of these words to appear, my search results would include all results that would have the words American and Revolution and Paul and Revere, which would make the search so large that it would just be too much for me to even go through. And if I'm not finding any specific things, sometimes you'll put this exact phrase. So those are other options. I am going to search our entire school, not just one particular library. Remember, if we want to search one particular library, we click into circulation types, and we would clear them all, and we would select the specific library. But we're going to leave select all for this particular search, and we're going to click on OK. Now I'm going to go ahead and do the search. You'll notice that my results, I only have 14 titles here. Now, not only can I look at the resources that are books within our catalog, we can also see the websites that have that we would be able to search through WebPath Express, which is in a later section. And you'll notice that there are 75 web links as well. Now, we learn how to make resources in the next section, but I'm just going to point out where you would add these links to your lists. And the other thing that you can also find in your search results are digital resources, which would be videos that are appearing on Safari Montage. And there's more discussion on that later in the course as well. So I have my search results up here. I'm going to go back to my titles. I'm going to look through to see what I might be able to use for my research project. Now, you know what? I really need some more books and resources, and maybe I can change my results to have a few more options. So if I go back to library search, we're going to try our search using a different Boolean search operator. Those results had to have both American Revolution and Paul Revere in them. This time I'm going to do my search for American Revolution or Paul Revere. So I will find resources that are either about Paul Revere or about the American Revolution. And there may be some included in there as well, or there should be, excuse me, that would include both. Notice that there are a greater number of resources available to me. You see in the books it is 230. If we click into websites, You'll notice that there's 185, which is more than the 75 we had before. And if we click into digital resources, you'll notice this time there are 14 movies. Now, I can assume from that our movies that are in Safari Montage are specifically about the American Revolution, because there were none when it was American Revolution and Paul Revere. Now we're going to go back and do one more search just so you can see the difference in the results. Now, I want resources on American Revolution, but I want to know nothing about Paul Revere. So this time I'm going to put not Paul Revere, and I'm going to click on search. Now, notice that my book resources this time are 197, a bit less than what we had when it was American Revolution and Paul Revere. My websites are a bit less as well, and my digital resources, and it's coming, are once again that 14, which would go with my theory that all of our videos contain information about the American Revolution, but not Paul Revere. So this is the beginnings into doing a complex search within the Destiny catalog. This is one way to make your results greater or less than by playing around not only with keywords but also the Boolean search operators that are here. So give it a try and see if you can get better search results than you have been getting.